Now this van originally was black and it had a grey wrap all the way around it, as well as a body kit, like a skirt on the front and back. But when you look closely here, this is starting to come loose and I'm worried about it kind of blowing off when I'm going fast on the motorway. Now I've looked down the back of it, there's only a tiny little blob here and here, probably a polymer glue of some sort, maybe a polyurethane or something in there. And it's come away, it's pulled a little bit of the wrap off there. So what I'm going to do is glue it back on, and then hopefully it'll be fixed better and will last longer. I'm going to use my Max Bond for it. Now we have given it a clean out. I gave it a clean yesterday with some wet, hot soapy water down there, got out all the muck, I've dried it off. I've got a big kind of brush like that, just making sure there is no dust or anything on there. And now a little like wire wool brush as well, just trying to score the back again, just where the contact is going to be. Because I do, of course, need it to bite well. So I'm going to use 3C's Max Bond. It's a powerful hybrid polymer adhesive. Now I'm going to apply the Max Bond on the actual body itself and on the back of the skirt, and then press it in tight like this. Now the cavity behind this panel is larger at the bottom than it is at the top, so I'm applying a thicker layer of it in the middle where I can get the nozzle down to, and then a thinner line across the top. Max Bond offers maximum strength with maximum adhesion. It can be used in damp conditions and can be applied to a variety of different surfaces. Once set, it still remains permanently flexible. So here we go. I'm going to just press it, bouncing it back and forth a little bit, really pushing it down and spreading it in. I'll get some of my wipes. Get my finger really wet. I want to try and push this down inside it now so it doesn't all ooze out. Yeah. Do make sure you wipe off all the excessive adhesive before it dries using one of 3C's silicone wipes. Until the adhesive is cured, apply a couple of strips of gaffer tape to hold it into position. So this has had a couple of hours on it now. I'm going to take the tape off and it's really grabbed well. It's not fully cured at this point, but when it is fully cured, it'll still be relatively flexible, a little tiny bit of movement in it, but just what it needs when you've got obviously different materials bonding onto one another. And that is one job now complete. If you're looking for more how-to videos, follow us on all social media handles. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. But if you just need to know about the vast range of products that 3C stock, check out their website.